Learn English online at Best Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus gerund.
When get is followed by a gerund, it has the meaning to start doing something.
I'd like to remember that a gerund is a noun formed from a verb by adding ing. If you're ready, let's get going. Otherwise, we might miss our flight.
Let's get going. It means let's go right now. So we start going.
I think it's time for you to get studying seriously. The exams are approaching.
It's time to begin your studies.
Let's get moving somewhere. I can't stay more in the city.
It means let's move out. It's time to move in another city.
You ought to get leaving if you want to be on time at the airport.
To avoid missing your flight, you should leave right now.
Listen carefully to the question. Then you can get talking just after the beep.
Thus, you have to listen first. Then you can start talking.
This one is easy. At any time get is followed by gerund. It means to begin doing something.
You have just to remember that get plus gerund equal start an action.
People who ignore the use of gerund should contact us for more details.
Thank you to remember that.
Now, let's get talking about the next one when there is an object between get and the gerund.